Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how you can make 3D logo crystal in CapCut PC. So it is super simple. You are just going to add the logo you have, and I'm just going to add the YouTube logo and just add to track, and you're just going to animation, select combo animation and scroll down until you find the crystal effect. Here it's crystal 1 and 2. I just choose one you like. It was this crystal 1, crystal 2. So the Instagram logo, and it's just for duration until full duration. So here we go. This is the final effect. You are just going to export this project. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.